Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove suggestion friends on Facebook. Not all users might want those constant reminders from Facebook about adding more friends to their list, especially if they already have a small friend circle and intend to keep it that way. Facebook is a social networking service that is centered around content shared by you and your friends, along with pages and people you choose to follow. While the service regularly recommends pages you should follow and check out, the company also occasionally sends out notifications to suggest people you may know as friends. The company brands this suggestion under the People You May Know section, which lists users who could be suggested as part of your contact list that you uploaded to Facebook, or via the company's algorithms that can predict who you might know based on your profile information and who you are already friends with. However, not all users might want those constant reminders from Facebook about adding more friends to their list, especially if they already have a small friend circle and intend to keep it that way. If you want to turn off that notification for people you may know, you can do so by following these steps. Head over to Facebook app. Now tap on the settings or the three lines and tap Settings. Tap on Settings again. Then click the notification icon in the menu on the left sidebar on the Facebook settings page. Look for a settings called People You May Know under the Notification Settings area. From there, you can toggle all of the options off or simply disable notification via SMS, via email, or via push notifications in the app. These settings will either partially or completely disable the notifications for Facebook People You May Know feature. If you don't have access to a browser, you can make the exact same changes via Facebook Android. The settings are in the same sections at the time of publishing this guide. If you have already made the changes on desktop, then you do not need to make the same changes on your phone as they will be saved to your profile no matter where you are logged in from. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.